Hey everybody, lots going on today here down at the Indio property. As you can see, we've got the stucco going on. They've got the smooth coat on, so we have no more heavy texture. So we're just doing that on the front of the house, which you're able to do, and it's looking really nice. And as you can see, he's working on it here and around the, what was that noise? Oh, they're testing. They're testing the smoke alarms, so they're getting all the electrical finished up inside too. So let's go on in and check and see what's going on. They're getting it all smoothed out. So I don't know if you can see the old texture over here, but we've got the old heavy skip trowel texture. Now we're doing the nice smooth coat on the walls here. This all used to have the old not lath and plaster, but the old, what was it called? What do we have on there? What was that heavy knockdown on it? No, the plywood we had up there. What was that? Like the panel. I guess it was the panel.
Siding?
The siding, the paneled siding. Yeah, that's right. We had the old paneled siding. See, it's been such a long time, I can't remember what we used to have up there. So anyway, so we stuccoed over that. Much different. So it's looking great. We've got the wood tile flooring down in here now, so that is all completed. We just have to do the grouting. But now we have most of the kitchen installed. So he's working on that today, and that is looking really nice. And they've also started the swimming pool. So let's go out here and take a look. And I showed you the other day that they're already doing the trench here, and we're moving the pool motor from this area that was in between the new kitchen window and the new slider over here behind the fireplace. But now they started chiseling out the swimming pool, and we're getting ready to do the replastering. So I'm gonna go and select some new tile, and we're gonna replaster the pool, and then we're gonna make the steps a little bit larger as well. So as you can see over here, don't wanna fall into the pool. We're going to make the steps just a little bit bigger, and then also the love seat over here as well. So we've got all the stuccoing ready to go back over here on the new windows and the kitchen window, the slider, and over by the master bathroom as well. So that is what is going on back here. It's looking great. So let's go back into the house in here, and we will show you what is going on. They were working on some more electrical work in here. Putting the switches in. We've got lighting in the hallway now. So as you can see, no more dark cave down here in the hall. And he's getting the panels on over here on the cabinetry. So we've got our recessed sink area over the kitchen sink. Now you can see, let me flip this around here. You can see when the plastic's now off the windows, you can see the nice view with the swimming pool overlooking here, and our stove will be here, and then we will have our refrigerator here, and then once we get the island in, it will be right in this section. And Sparky is right there working on the electrical. There's Sparky.
Hey.
Hey. So he's getting that all working, and you can still kind of see the darker color. It still needs to be a little bit darker, but at different times of day you can see the different tones of the, well, right now you can, the lighter or the darker there, and then the lighter there, and then it's darker again. So let me take you into the other room and show you what we've got done in here. Let's see, that's still the same. And then, they've got one of the cabinets in there, so that's done. I bought the new mirrors, and I think that's pretty much it. But at least it's getting done. Let me flip this around so you can kind of get a different view as we walk into the living room here with the kitchen halfway installed and our flooring here. But it's really starting to come together. Oh, they've got the recessed trims up there. We're going to be putting 3 pendant lights in up here, and then the dining room chandelier will go here, and then they've got the other 2 lights over here as well. So that is it for today, but just wanted to give you kind of an update on what's going on this midweek here on Wednesday. and we will give you an update towards the end of the week should I need to return. If not, then we will get back to you next week. Hope you guys are having a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Over and out.